Hey Tubes, how you doing? Long time no talk. Yeah, I'm getting the look. Anyways.
Another video that don't get posted.
Yeah, we'll post it.
Yeah.
Anyways, besides all the bickering. Picked this up, let's see, probably 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. It's a Myers self-oiling bulldozer pump. There, down here. There. It's complete, it works, it pumps, but it looks like hell. So, gonna take it apart, clean it up. It's a lot of, see here or not, there you are. It's a lot of green on everything, so I'm going with, this was green beforehand. Let's see, show you the patented dates. 1921, March, July 19-1921. Anywho, another project. That's pretty much it, not doing anything too major to it. Got the idler arm still quite stiff, but got the idler itself actually freed up. Maybe we'll take this off for you. Let's see here. I know it's the patent dates there, but I'm not 100% sure what year this actually is. So, if anybody knows, feel free to leave a comment. Oh. One more. Yeah, I know, the longest bolt in the damn world. There we go. Cover don't look bad. Whew, smells like gear oil. Old gear oil. But no. Dad's already disconnected the flywheel, so I'm not gonna, maybe a little bit. Show you. I'm sure you've seen them on YouTube, but everything's mint in here. A little bit of sludgy oil, but it's never been apart. It's got the original binding wires. None of the gears are pitted. Eccentric, everything moves properly. There, good enough. So, yeah, another project. This is probably going to be run off my 4-horse Junior when I get done. That probably left you guys in the dark on that. I've just kind of been farting around here and there doing a bunch of stuff to it. Never really thought to do any videos. I might do one of putting it back together, but show you that for a second, I suppose. Crank. Hopper with seized piston, which is proving to be quite difficult to extract. Boxes of parts, block, and boxo parts. Gas tank, more parts, pulleys, yada yada yada. But, like I said, I kind of forgot to even start doing video on this, so I'll try and do one for rebuilding it and putting it back together. So yeah, that's it. suppose I could. This is a, focus in, there we are, 2.5 by 3. So going with 2.5 inch bore by 3 inch stroke, or something to that effect. Still today, we follow that. Safety first. Alright, see if we do anything else to this and maybe post use another video. Alright, talk to you later.